Hey everybody, what's up? This is Drew, and on behalf of Les Paul and Google, thanks to Google for posting that wonderful guitar, I'm going to play a rendition of Silent Night. And out of all chords to play, I have chosen Silent Night because I think that's the most simple chord to play. So check it out. I'm just going to have a good time with it and just listen.